Hi, my YT fam, bless you all. So, our topic of the day is TDS payable and TDS receivable. So, let's first understand what is TDS payable. So, when we take any of the services, then we have to make the payment, but before making the payment, we will deduct the tax, and that tax is known as TDS payable, and it will be recorded as TDS payable in our books of accounts. And the same tax that we are deducting, it is the TDS receivable for the person who is going to record the income. So it will be recorded as TDS receivable in their books of accounts. So now let's understand the accounting treatment for TDS payable. So I'm assuming the books are being recorded on accrual basis. Comment down below if you know the meaning of accrual basis, and if not, I will prepare a separate video for that. Let's take an example here. Let's say we have to pay the rent. So now we will make the entry rent account debit to creditors, that is to the person to whom we have to pay the rent, to TDS payable. So both the creditors and TDS payable are our current liability. And then at the time of payment, we will debit the creditors, we will debit the TDS payable account to cash or bank, however we are making the payment. Now let's talk about the accounting treatment for TDS receivable. Here also I'm assuming the accrual basis of accounting. So the entity will record debtors account debit, TDS receivable account debit to rent, for example. And when the entity will actually receive the income, they will record bank account debit to debtors by net amount, that is excluding the amount of TDS receivable. So here TDS receivable is current asset for the entity, and they can use it as credit while filing their income tax return. That's all for today. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I have also created a playlist for all the topics that we have covered so far, so I will mention the link in the description box below. So please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.